Hello everybody, so today I will talk about statistics. The topic today is about find the probability. So now I will show you the answer. A shuffle standard desk of 52 cards and take 10 cards with replacement. At random from this desk, what is the probability of observing 3 cards with a number from 2 to 10? In other words, not a letter called A, G, Q, T. So now I will show you the answer. 52 cards, take 10 cards with replacement. So the total way to select the cards that should be about 52 to the power of 10. The next one, we select 3 cards with the number in here. The total card with the number in this situation, that's about, we have 52. We minus the card with the letters in here, that's about 4 multiplied with number 4. 4, that means we have 4 types of cards. Number 4 in here we have A, Q, Q, T. And you got about 36. So we have 36 to the power of 3. Because we select 10 cards in here, that means we have left 7. So in this situation, 7 cards, they will select about the letters in here. That's about the 16. We calculate about this number. This is approximate about 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 8, 6, 6. So this number in here, if we round up, that's the approximate about 0, 0, 0, 0, number 1, or this is about 1 over 10,000. But the question they want to find to the closest, so only A in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.